Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch creator account on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram investment in helping content creator and influencer grow their online presence starts as early as the sign up process. New Instagram user can choose between three types of account: personal, creator, and business. Each profile type has features that make it a worthwhile option for creators. In this video, I will show you how to switch from from creator if you have creator account to another type of account on Instagram. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now we can open our profile. As you can see, my profile, my account type, and this account is professional account creator. You can change this account type by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can just scroll down and you can go to for professional section. There is an option creator tools and controls. You can just tap on that and you can scroll down. There is an option switch account type. You can just tap on that. If you want to switch from creator to business account, you can just choose on business account. But if you want to change to personal account, you can just choose on personal account. For example, I will just choose on personal account, tap on switch to personal account, and now you can wait. Now your account has switched to personal account. You don't have the professional dashboard again on your profile. It's so simple, right? So that is how to switch creator account type on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.